Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add music in Capcut PC, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to add music in Capcut PC. I will show you two ways how to add music. The first way, just add your video to the track and then click audio, and here you have many different audios that you can add, but just keep in mind some of the audios here are for Pro. Okay, now for example you want to add this one, love scene, beautiful and romantic. Just click in the plus icon and here you can adjust the duration of the audio. Okay, now this for example here, and here just split, and here delete. Yeah, this is the first way. Now let me just delete the audio. The second way, just go to media and then import, and now just import the music from your laptop. Okay, I already have this one, motivation sport. Just click on it and now just click the plus icon to add to the track, and here is the same, just adjust the duration of the music. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to add music in Capcut PC. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.